It looks good from here. Shoot, I don't know what y'all seeing, but what I'm seeing, hey.
You got me thinking about all the things you do, I just can't resist. And you know I'm feeling for different reasons, and I can't even start, you got me fiending. I can't believe it. Cause she like a song that's stuck in my mind. A song that's stuck in my mind. She's stuck in my mind. A song that's stuck in my mind, yeah. Cause she like a song that's stuck in my mind. A song that's stuck in my mind. She's stuck in my mind. A song that's stuck in my mind, yeah.
Look, hey, we've been through a whole lot of bad, but somehow we seem to always end on good terms. I remember those nights you sat on your phone and cried. Now you be trying to...
Yes, before we get started, because YouTube be playing them games and I don't got time, make sure you click subscribe if you haven't already, and click that bell notification symbol because YouTube be playing with my views. They be playing with my views. Anyway, just make sure that you subscribe and click the bell symbol. Whoa, little sexy! What the is that? What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, or if it's your first time, welcome in general. My name is Reese, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I styled this lace wig. This is a full lace wig from a company called SOWIGS. So shout out to SOWIGS for sending me this unit to review on my channel. Inside the package I got some lashes that look like this. I got this in 16 inches, and honestly I do not remember the texture, but I will definitely have the exact unit linked down below. I did get some footage of how the hair looks straight out of the pack, just so that you guys can have a comparison to see how the hair looked when I got it, and you know what I did to it, which I really didn't do much. So really quick, all I did was I did go in and bleach the knots. You know, I'm not a professional, but I tried my best. And then after I bleached the knots, I went ahead and conditioned the wig. I used a $1 conditioner, VO5. So you definitely don't have to use anything expensive on the hair if you don't want to. So after I conditioned the unit, I went ahead and parted it down the middle, and then I used some of this foam just to kind of set the part. After I did the part and after it dried, I went in with some of this foundation and then some of this powder, and I just put that underneath the lace in the front, and after that we can get to styling. So as far as styling, all that I did is I went back in, and first things first, what I did was I went in with some Eco Styler gel and some of that same mousse, and I just kind of laid my baby hairs down. You can do it however you prefer. I did go ahead and finish it off camera just because it was really hard to kind of see what I was doing in the viewfinder. So after I did my baby hairs, I went ahead and laid it down with a scarf and got back to the styling. And so for the styling, all that I did was I wet my hair with water, which is why it looks like this now. I didn't have a spray bottle, otherwise I would have done it on camera, but you guys get the picture. I just wet my hair, and then I took some more of that same mousse and just kind of put it all throughout the curls. Once I was done putting the mousse on my hair, I just went ahead and took the ends of the curls and wrap them around my finger, similar to what you would do like at the bottom of a twist or something. So just wrapping the hair around my finger, and as you can see, it forms some really nice little ringlets on the bottom. So you can see the side that's done, it has these nice curls on the bottom, and the side that is not done is kind of just more wavy. So I just did that to the bottom of all of them and waited for it to dry. And literally these are my results, y'all. So this is the finished results, and I didn't know how it was gonna come out, but I'm actually quite pleased. So this is what the curls look like. I'm pretty sure this made it super shiny. All I used is this and water, literally. And then what I didn't show is that on the part, I did add this little concealer. It's a HD concealer, and I just got it from my local beauty supply store. So I use that on the part. This part of my hair is like 97% dry. Like it's barely wet. So this is what it looks like. Super juicy and luscious, and like I said, all that I used was some water and some mousse, sis. So and I really didn't even know what I was doing. I just kind of went with the flow, and I love my results. Alright you guys, so that is going to conclude this video. I hope that you enjoyed and that it was helpful. If you did, definitely be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and click that bell notification symbol, because like I said before, YouTube be playing with views and we don't have time. We have to see all videos in 2019. Like, that's just facts. So if you did like this, definitely make sure to subscribe and click the bell so you get notified when I upload. So once again, thank you so much to SOWIGS for being kind enough to send me this to review, and I'm really looking forward to hopefully doing some more videos with them in the future, because I definitely have some other things in mind. So stay tuned for that. Anyway, as always, I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.